Discover the best of vibrant and stylish student living at Crown 907 New York, where your unforgettable university experience begins on a positive note. Choose from 3 and 7 bed apartments featuring a spacious bed, ample closet space, dedicated study corner, and extra storage for your valuables for a comfortable stay. Electricity, gas, speedy Wi-Fi, plus perks like weekly cleaning, maintenance services, and even monthly breakfast are already included in your rent for ultimate convenience. Beyond your room, you can de-stress in the gym, binge your favourite series in the cinema room, or socialise at the private bar when you want to catch a break. You'll only be a short drive away from universities like Medgar Evers College and Pratt Institute, so your timely arrival to class will be inevitable. Bus stops like Bergen Street or Kingston Avenue are just around the corner for easy city adventures. You can also hop on a train at the Kingston Avenue subway station nearby, so don't let your home in Crown 907 in New York slip away. Book now via amberstudent.com.